Another home protected with quality materials and proper installation. The existing roof showed signs of age and omitted roofing system elements. Key components like drip edge and a chimney cricket were missing, which can lead to long-term water damage. This home originally had few soffit intake ventilation and 2 gable vents, which restricted proper airflow in the attic. Adding soffit and ridge ventilation requires precise calculations, not guesswork. We measured the attic space and installed the correct amount of intake and exhaust ventilation to create balanced airflow throughout the system. This upgrade improves energy efficiency, reduces moisture buildup, and helps extend the life of the roof. We performed a full tear-off down to the decking to inspect the structure and ensure a solid foundation for the new roofing system. During removal, rotted plank decking was discovered. Damaged areas were replaced to restore strength and provide proper fastening for the new shingles. To bring this home up to modern standards, we installed drip edge along all roof edges, a properly built chimney cricket, and correct counter flashing at the chimney. These improvements help prevent water intrusion and extend roof life. A high-quality underlayment system was installed to provide a secondary moisture barrier and enhance protection beneath the shingles. To protect the most vulnerable areas of the roof, the valleys, chimney, and cricket, also known as a saddle, were reinforced with ice and water shield to provide an added layer of leak protection where water flow is heaviest. New architectural shingles were installed along with all matching accessories and proper ventilation required to qualify for an upgraded manufacturer warranty. Every component works together as a system for maximum durability and performance. The completed roof provides improved curb appeal with a clean architectural finish. Full roofing system and accessories were installed properly. The homeowner now qualifies for an upgraded manufacturer warranty for added peace of mind. Another successful project completed with attention to detail and quality craftsmanship. Magnum Construction LLC, protecting what matters most, built right from the ground up.